So this is the game. I have just finished designing everything, prototyping, and all these things. So here comes first the main menu, which you can see the interactivity between the mouse and the buttons. You can see the description box of each button beneath it. And here first you have the option resume, and it says resume where you left off. So you can go back to where you just left before you close the game. Next you have start over. The data will be lost and you will start over. We have here the profiles, each character's profile, since I said last time that we have four different characters, three females and one male. And you can see their inventories and weapons, etc. Here comes the store. You can explore the new tools, the new weapons, and everything you want to buy for the character. And you have the settings menu. So we can go now to profiles. First, here comes Isaac, which is our first character. Here is our weapons for him, or tools. And you have here the go to store button. You can go to store from this place. You don't have to go all the way back to the main menu to go to the store. You can just, if you're scrolling in your characters list, you can see the go to store option here. First, we have the first tool of Isaac. It's called the deck of cards. Here are the features of each weapon or tool, let's say. We have the efficiency, the speed, deadliness, and accuracy. Each weapon or each tool has its own features. And here comes the description box where you can see the description of each tool. So, and next we can see the hat, the magic hat. And of course, these tools are only for Isaac, since I also said last time that each character has his own tools and weapons. You can't like use the same tool for two characters. So as you can see here, the efficiency, speed, deadliness, and accuracy, all the features differ from one weapon or one tool to another. And the description box again, this describes what you can do with this tool, where here you can like get anything out of the hat. This is its main, let's say, uniqueness. Here comes the stick, the tricky stick, I called it. Different features and different description. It turns to a blade, like a very thin one, and it's poisonous actually, and it will cause death. It is not that much of a great tool. It's not like a deadly weapon. Only if you use it like in the right way, it will poison the target. We can go next to Amber, our second character. Here are her tools. The tools which I am showing you right here are the ones that you can see, like the needle and the one of the poisons may be already present in when you start the game. So, and the others you might have already bought them, and here are everything that is bought, everything that already came with the character. So we have the first poison. It's called Compound 1080. It's these two poisons are real life poisons, and they're inspired from real poisons. Different things, but both poisons are 100% deadly and accurate. Like they will definitely kill the person. And but the things that differ are the speed. Like this one is very quick to like show the results. He will die after a short amount of time, and here it takes 6 hours for the target to be dead after he's poisonous. But this will give you another feature, which is you will not be suspected. You will just leave the place and nobody will know that you did it because you have 6 hours to like get an alibi. The third tool here is the needle. You can buy it and it just makes things easier for you. Like you don't have to make the person swallow the poison. You can just like inject them with the poison directly. And the last weapon here is the scalpel. It's pretty non-deadly, but only in one case. If you hit the target in the right exact spot on his neck, the vital spot, he will like immediately die. But if you did not if you did not hit him in the right place, he will not die and he will not even be harmed. It's just very small scalpel. It's used in surgeries and etc. Our next character is Naomi. And another thing is that you can always go to the store and go back to the main menu from these buttons in any profile of any character. So let's go to back to Naomi. Naomi has three weapons because she's the gun user. The first weapon is the shotgun. It is deadly, 85% deadly. It is more than 50% efficient. And the speed and accuracy are right here. It is like the typical shotgun that we all know. Next comes the sniper. The sniper is 100% deadly and 100% accurate because, a sniper is like, you know exactly where to shoot the person from a far away, and the efficiency is pretty high, but it's not that speed. Like, the speed is not that much of a thing here because you need to like reload it. Reloading a sniper takes a bit of time, and you can just like shoot one bullet at a time, which is unlike the last weapon, which is the rifle. It shoots a lot of bullets at the same time, so it's 100% fast to use. You can reload it really easily and like in a fast way, and it shoots a lot of bullets at the same time. The only thing about this weapon is that it's not that accurate because it shoots a lot of bullets, but it's not that easy to aim with it. And yeah, we just pretty much finished the Naomi weapons, which takes us to the last character, which is Lara. Lara has four different weapons. All are blades because she's a blade user. And as we said in the presentation, she loves to see blood. It makes her stronger. So our first weapon for Lara is called the needle blade. The needle blade is 100% fast because it is really lightweighted and you can use it very easily. And it's pretty much strong here. Next is the Slaughter Rocker, which is her special weapon. She really loves this weapon, and because it bleeds a lot of blood, which Lara really loves actually. And she called it really efficient. Like to her, it's really efficient. The third weapon is the Butcher. It's the typical knife that we know, but it's like pretty much it's not lightweighted and it's big a little bit. So it's really perfect for big targets like men in general and fat men in particular, actually. So you can, as we said in the presentation too, that each mission you will use weapons and characters according to that mission. Like if you're targeting a really fat man, you should probably use Lara and use this butcher weapon. Next, and the final weapon for Lara is called the crossblade. It's pretty much perfect and it's fast, it's accurately deadly, and it's very efficient. Everything is 100% here. It's our strongest weapon for Lara, especially. So, yeah, it suits all types of targets, big, small, tall, short, any target, and doesn't matter if it's a female or a male. And it doesn't leave that much of blood, but it leaves a good amount of it. Like she can see the blood, she can be satisfied with the amount of blood that she had shed, but it's not too much that is so hard to clean up. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is how we can see the interactivity between the mouse and the characters. Here we have these buttons, we have the weapons here. And as we can see in Naomi's weapons, you can even like change the weapons from these chevrons here, chevron right and chevron left. And yeah, and that's pretty much it. We can go back now to the main menu. And that's it for my game. Thank you for listening.